Hi everyone, my name is Dimple. I am going to show you my elephant air plants. So this one, I just planted this year. This is called Borneo elephant air plant. So pretty. There, another elephant. Oh, this is another Borneo elephant ear. And this is called Regal shield elephant ear plant. It has a flower. It's pretty. I don't know what this one. This was gifted to me. I just don't know the name. But it's over 6 feet tall. And this one, another Borneo. This elephant ear plant is native in Florida. Hi, Pips! Here's my dark star. Thank you for watching.